So today we are going to talk about this brand new feature that has been launched by YouTube, and I think it is going to play a big role in the future of YouTube, how videos are going to be shared. It is called the clip feature, wherein you can clip a part of the video and share it with someone. We know how tiresome it is to share a YouTube video, especially long YouTube videos, and you want a particular part to be shared with somebody, but you have to share the entire video. And even if you hand over a timestamp, like if I share timestamps with my parents who are so-called technically challenged, it becomes a real task to make them watch the part that I want. And with this new clip feature, it has become really easy to share the parts of the video that you want to share. Right now, this clip feature is not available on most of the channels. Some creators have it, but in the future, coming months, maybe 1 or 2 months, everybody is going to have this clip feature, and I think it is going to be a game changer as far as sharing videos are concerned. How it is going to help you as a creator, we will have to find out, but I think your videos will get more exposure if people have the option of clipping a particular part and then sharing it with somebody. I'm going to show you how this works. This particular channel has the clip feature activated, so let me just share my screen with you. Okay, so this is the YouTube Creator Insider, and they have this clip feature activated. So I'm going to play this video and see this clip feature is right here, and when you click on it, you get this part opened up, and here you can select the portion that you want to share with somebody, and you can then add a title over here. So let me just name it test, and your clip is ready. So now you get the options. You get a link of the clip. You can copy this link, you can share it on social media, you can embed it in some blog or some website, and whoever opens this link, the clip that you had selected will play on loop. And yes, if they want, they have the option to play the entire video after that. So this feature right now is limited to a few channels, but as and when it is being rolled out to more and more channels, the access is right now from Android phones and computers. Okay, so you cannot do it on iOS devices. However, there are certain restrictions on which videos are eligible to make clips, like made for kid videos are not eligible, and maybe we'll get more information on that in the coming future. Now the big question again is that will the watch time gained from these clips be counted towards the monetization requirement? Now that is a gray area, it has not been addressed, so maybe in the coming days it will be more clear. However, it does say that ads can run on the clips if the clips are more than 30 seconds long. So the clips are eligible for monetization because the ads will be running on them if they are more than 30 seconds, which is the requirement. But I don't know if the watch hour will be counted or not. So let's see how things roll out in the future and how it adds value to us creators and viewers. So that is it for the latest YouTube update. If you would like to see more such videos, click on the subscribe button down below, and I will be back with more and more videos. Till then, bye.